Hi again. Today we are going to talk about deep blue, and this one's called ice blue in New Zealand. So you might have found that these oils that we're talking about are mainly the top 10 oils that we use every day in our house, that most people use, and they do come together in a kit called the Home Essentials Kit, and also Family Essentials Kit. So these are just the oils that everyone has on hand usually if they've started with doTERRA. So that's why we're going to talk in detail about them. So deep blue is a great oil for muscles and joints. So if you're feeling any kind of achiness, if you run, you just apply it to the area of soreness. So for me, I'm a runner, or I used to be anyway, and I use it after I run. So I just rub my legs down in it after I run. Ian is super sweet, and he decided, I was pregnant with, I just had the boys, and I decided I was going to run a half marathon. And I said, look, it's like the slowest I'm ever going to do it. I have babies, I was still breastfeeding. And so he said, oh, I'll do it with you. So he is not a runner. So bless him for doing it with me. And he did an awesome job too. Anyway, he would apply deep blue. So I'm showing you, this is the rub. This is what we actually love because it's just super easy to use. It's just a cream that comes out and you rub it on. In one tube of rub is a whole bottle of oil, so you can make your own too, but we just tend to buy it in the tube. But anyway, he applied it before and after he ran, and amazingly he didn't get any post-running soreness, which for a non-runner to be training for a half marathon, like he literally had never ran, he never got soreness. It was incredible. So we personally mix it with a little bit of marjoram. So we'll just put a dollop of this ice blue or deep blue on our hand, and then we'll just drop one drop of marjoram, rub it in, and apply it to our legs. My mom uses the deep blue every day on her knees, so really it's just a versatile, easy to use rub or oil to use on your muscles and joints.